We'll guide you through how to buy Robux in Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you probably know, Robux is the currency used in Roblox. So if you want to go and buy things within Roblox, you need to have Robux. For example, clothing, items, game passes, and other things as well, you need to go and have Robux. For example, I was looking at my avatar here. I press marketplace at the top to go and get some new items. I can go and find down here that these items cost different amount of Robux. So I'm just in the all tab right now and they all go and cost different amounts. And so at the moment I've got 107 and I want to get some more so I can go and buy more different items. So without any further ado, let's go and do this. Press the back button in the top left like so, and we're now on the home page. So to go and buy Robux from the home page, you want to go to the top right where you can go and see the Robux icon. And then what you can do there is you can go and tap on it like so. At the top, you'll go and see your balance and you can go and come down the list and you can go and see these different packages. And so what we can then do is go and choose the amount of Robux we want to go and buy. If you go and have Roblox Premium, you can go and get potentially more Robux on purchase as well. I don't, so I'm just getting the normal rate here. So you can go and choose the amount of Robux you want and the cost is over to the right. So let's go and say I wanted to go and get 80 Robux. That's going to cost me 99p. I use the GBP currency for you and be different. So you can then go and tap on it like so, and it'll then go and load. And I can actually go and pay here. As you can see, I can go and double click with the side button in order to go and do this. At the moment, you can see I've got 107 Robux. Now let me go and double click and complete Face ID just to go and authorize it. And now I'm going to be getting 80 Robux. Just wait, it was successful. Keep on waiting, it should shortly go and refresh. I'll go and close this here and go and reopen it. And it may go and take a moment. We'll just go and wait for it to go and be added. And as you can see, I've now got 187. That's it. So now I can go and start spending it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day and I look forward to helping you again. Goodbye for now.